In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cyberpunk style video using Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section, and here you need to create an account. Once you have created the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here we're going to use the model Seedance 2.5, and in the duration, we're going to use 8 seconds. Now here you can upload an image, a video, or even an audio of reference if you want, but in my case, I'm going to use only a prompt. So the prompt that I'm going to use is this one, that is going to be in the comment section, and this is the important part of the prompt. This is where I describe the style, the cyberpunk style of the video. All this other section of the prompt is the description of what will happen in the scene. So you can, if you want, erase this and create another scene. So now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it. Well, there we have. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. This effect looks amazing. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.